Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Aston Martin Vantage Roadster. This two-door convertible has an 8-cylinder, 4.7-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Aston Martin is a steal with less than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.